In today's video, how to fix lag in CapCut on your PC. So first what you can do is open CapCut and navigate to main editing screen. Go to Tree Lines menu under the player window, select Preview Quality and change settings to Performance Priority. This will prioritize playback smoothness while you're watching your video. Second method, click on anywhere on the timeline where there is no video or text in the gray area to bring up the project settings. In the project settings, look for Performance section and turn on the Proxy option. This will speed up editing without affecting video quality. Third method, select Resolution for playback. It is recommended to choose lowest resolution available. Lower resolution will render video playback at lower quality to prevent lag, but this will not affect final export quality. Click Save to apply settings. When you are done with editing and ready to export, video will still be exported in the highest resolution you select originally. Temporary resolution only applies during the editing process to reduce lag.